Today we will explain how to operate WhatsApp on an American number in the easiest way first. You have to download this app from the Google Play Store after downloading it. You log into it and then select the United States of America, then choose any of the numbers shown in front of you. Then copy the number and go to the WhatsApp application and run it. See what the app will tell you. If you are asked to agree from another device, this number does not benefit you. Choose another number, and if he tells you that the number is also prohibited, it will not benefit you. So choose another number, and if he tells you to wait a few hours too. This is useless, and you have to choose another number, either if you receive the activation code immediately or after a few minutes. This is what will benefit you here. You can refresh the screen to make sure that the code has arrived, and WhatsApp will appear next to it if you want to choose another number. All you have to do is press return and choose another number. This is our explanation very simply, and thank you very much for watching the video.